This is a handrail we were left by the previous owners, so as you can see it's not fixed to anything. It doesn't fit the space, so we're going to modify it and we're going to put it in nice and straight, put some brackets to tie it into the wall and mount it onto the steps, and that'll be it. It'll be nice and secure.
And then you'll fix the wall,
and then we'll
finish
sort
it.
the wall up and finish the wall, because we've left that as well.
Okay, so first thing you're going to do is...
cut the bottom off and put another plate on it.
And then clean it down.
Clean it down, we'll get it put onto the wall and then painted.
Just another job in your day.
Just another job in my daily life.
Just a quick video to show the shutters that we have fixed, painted and rehung. The railing that has been fitted and painted, and the wall that has been filled and then repointed. So very happy with that, looks a lot better. Moving on to the next job now.